Today I am going to explain why sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos minus theta equal to cos theta, tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta, and for the remaining trigonometrical ratios also. Now consider a ray OA along with the x-axis. Let this ray OA rotates in anti-clockwise direction, making an angle theta at the center with the positive direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis. Now the final position of the ray after rotation is OP. Let the radius of the circle is r. Therefore OP equal to r. Let the coordinates of the point P are x comma y. Both are positive because this point is in quadrant 1, Q1. Now, consider if the ray rotates in clockwise direction, making the same angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Let the final position of the ray in clockwise direction is OP dash. This is the radius of the circle, therefore this is also r, equal to r. These two angles are numerically equal. They intersect equal arcs on the circle. Therefore AP equal to AP dash. That is, these two are mutually reflected points in x-axis. P dash is the reflected point of P and P is the reflected point of P dash. Therefore, the coordinates of P, since coordinates of P are x comma y, the coordinates of P dash also x comma y. But P dash is, the point P dash is in quadrant Q4. In quadrant Q4, the y coordinate is negative, therefore this becomes minus. Thus the coordinates P dash are x comma minus y. Usually, the angle in anti-clockwise direction is considered as positive angle and the angle in clockwise direction is considered to be as a negative angle. So this is minus theta. Now let us write the trigonometrical ratios for this ray, theta angle ray. This ray is at an angle theta, therefore this is, for this ray let us write the trigonometrical ratios. Sin theta equal to, what is the definition of sin theta? Sin theta is y coordinate by radius of the circle. Similarly, cos theta definition is x coordinate of the point by radius of the circle. Tan theta is y coordinate of the point by x coordinate of the point. Similarly, cot theta is x coordinate of the point by y coordinate of the point. Sec theta is sec theta, radius of the circle by x coordinate of the point. Cosec theta is radius of the circle by y coordinate of the point. Thus, the definitions of trigonometrical ratios are defined. So, sin theta y by r, cos theta x by r, tan theta y by x, cot theta x by r, sec theta r by x, cosec theta r by y. Now, for this point P dash x comma minus y, let us write the trigonometrical ratios of minus theta degrees, for minus theta degrees. Sin minus theta equal to, what is the definition? Y coordinate by radius. Here the right y coordinate is minus y and radius is r. Therefore, minus y by r. This equal to minus of y by r. This equal to minus y by r is nothing but sin theta. Therefore, sin theta. Thus, sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Similarly, cos minus theta equal to, here cos minus theta equal to, what is the definition of cos? X coordinate by radius. Therefore, x coordinate by radius, x by r. But x by r is cos theta. Therefore, this is cos theta. Thus, cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Tan minus theta degrees equal to tan. What is the definition of tan? Y coordinate by x coordinate of the point. This point. Y coordinate minus y by x coordinate x. This equal to minus of y by x. This equal to minus, what is y by x? Tan theta. Therefore, minus tan theta. Next, cot minus theta equal to, what is the definition of cot? X coordinate by y coordinate. X coordinate by y coordinate. X by minus y. This equal to minus of x by y. By minus, but x by y is cot theta. Therefore, minus cot theta. Sec minus theta equal to, according to sec definition, radius by x coordinate. Here radius is r, x coordinate is x, r by x. This equal to r by x is sec theta. Therefore, this equal to sec theta. Next, cosec minus theta equal to radius by y coordinate. Therefore, radius by y coordinate. Y coordinate is minus y. Sorry. Radius r by minus y. This equal to minus of r by y. This equal to minus r by y is cosec theta. Therefore, this is cosec theta. Thus, sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Cot minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Sec minus theta equal to sec theta. Cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec.